Hello everyone. Today we will discuss why Tuyer failures occur in large blast furnaces, focusing on four key types of damages, and they are like erosion, pitting, cracking and bending. Once again I say erosion, pitting, cracking and bending. Understanding these failures mechanism of course can help immensely to the operator to improve Tuyer life and furnace efficiency. So let's begin each failure mechanism one by one. Now, coming to the first mechanism, that is erosion. Erosion occurs when molten slag iron repeatedly adhered to and peel off from the tuyer. So over time, these form sunken areas. That is a sort of a depression that thin the tuyer. While these areas do not cause immediate failure, but they weaken the tuyer, making it more vulnerable to damage. So, a surprise may occur to operator when it has a leakage and forced shutdown is required. So it takes you towards a surprise sort of shutdown outrages which damage overall furnace campaign also. Now coming to the second type of damage, that is peating. Peating is another common issue where a small molten iron cluster attack specific area of tuyer. So these form a deep pit. These pits fill with the copper oxide and which further weaken the tuyer by creating cracks. Many times when during shutdown when we take out the tuyer, it seems there is a drill hole. So it is very dangerous, and it just leads to outrages and just reducing the productivity of the furnaces. Cracking is caused by a huge temperature difference. This is the third type of mechanism, cracking, and hence cracking caused by a huge temperature difference, especially when the body temperature is 50 and the tip temperature is 500. Such type of a huge difference in temperature gradient. So this causes such a type of crack formation in the tip, and of course this also we can visualize during the shutdown time when we take out the tuyers and we see that such type of cracks, somewhere it is very clearly visible, and somewhere it started nucleating such type of cracks, and as we can see a number of places, these crack gaps is more, somewhere it crack gap is less. So this lead to a thermal stress, and especially thermal stress creates such type of crack, and it grows slowly and slowly deeper and deeper, and eventually leading to your failure. Now coming to the tuyer failure, especially which is very vulnerable for the furnace productivity, is basically bending. And bending are basically two types. One is a downward bending, and second is the upward bending. So downward bending especially are not due to heat, but it's basically due to mechanical forces. When large slag layers detach from the cooling steps, we can say that when we have got a severe peeling of the furnaces, especially in the regions of Bailey and Bosch incline, they press down such peeling material. They press down on the tuyer, causing it to bend downward, and this misalignment affect gas flow and tuyer efficiency. And especially that we also know that when the upward especially bending is occur also due to uneven expansion of this main coolers due to the zinc and even alkalis which are responsible to expand and push up. So this is a sort of a bending which is upward. Now, in summary, we can say that Tuyer failure occur due to erosion, pitting, cracking, and bending. These two, all the four phenomena we have discussed. To improve Tuyer life, we need a really with so many areas to improve, and few of them are as I have just sorted out to sensitize operators like cooling efficiency, proactive coating, slack control, and thermal stress management. Addressing these issues can significantly enhance durability in blast furnaces, as all operators know.